everybody, guess what? Today is Vlogmas day number 12. That means we have 12 days left till Christmas. Crazy. But I'm at Walmart right now. I am going to go do my Walmart Ibotta haul because I wanted to get out before Graham goes to work and Ben's at school. So I can be home, you know, so we can just chill and get stuff done at the house. So at Wally World, you guys, we're going to have some fun right now. My batteries suck because it's already telling me it's dead. That's crazy. I have to change this battery like every single day. I hate these batteries, but let's go shopping. So you guys, I have been slacking on Vlogmas today. Today is just kind of an easygoing day. I did text my friend earlier today. It was her birthday and I wanted to see if maybe she wanted to hang out, but she never responded back. So we're just chilling at the house. I'm wrapping Christmas gifts right now. I'm going to get some punch made, and Benjamin wants to do the advent calendars. So today is day 12. So he's going to show you guys that, and I'll open my day 12 also. Frozen! Yay! Okay, so day 12. This is the last one for my Ulta. Oh, screw it up. We're just going to rip open the box. Why don't we just rip open the box? Can you show them what you're getting for the choo-choos? Choo-choo. And we got something inside. And this is a blush duo. I really like those colors. It's kind of like a pinkish bronze color. Day 12.
They have Walmart calendar for me.
Need help? You got it? Here. These are a little tough. Is it Gordon? Isn't Gordon look like Thomas? Who is it? I think it's Gordon. Yeah, this is Gordon. So
that's Daddy.
That's Daddy's not home.
Who opened the door?
Nobody opened the door.
I hear a lock sound.
It was probably Charlotte. Okay. Ben's gonna open his chocolates for the day.
What's number 3?
Here, what's number 12? Find number 12. He does not eat these chocolates, so he just likes finding it. It's right here, honey. And what the chocolate of the day is...
Another bus.
It's a Buzz. So...
Let's put it in.
Yeah, so I'm going to make the kids dinner. It is 4:28. I'm going to make Ben something to eat. I had something to eat like a couple hours ago, but I'm not like super hungry. I'll probably have a snack. Miss Charlotte, I'm going to give her some food.
You're all done with your calendar.
I'm all done with my calendar.
Not all mine calendar.
Nope, you still got some left. So that's what kind we're going to do, and I'm going to continue, you guys, picking up. I know, it's a lost cause here, but you guys, I am so determined, and I told Graham this, to keep this house, the main floor, clean this whole entire month. And we've been slacking. Like last night was actually really good, but you know, there's still a couple things that need to be picked up, and I'm going at it. Thank you guys for all letting you guys know. You know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, but I do do YouTube a lot. I try to leave the house like I did earlier today. I went to Walmart before, you know, Ben got home from school. So, yeah. But, yeah, I'm going to get something to drink because I'm, like, super thirsty. And then we'll show you guys what we're else up to do later tonight. And the movie that I am watching right now that I have on pause is How to Be Single. Now, technically, there is a Christmas scene in it. And I think I'm going to watch Bad Moms Christmas next. So that's what movie we're watching. Ben's leading me to
a popsicle.
You're not having a popsicle for dinner. So, you guys know what? I suck at cleaning this thing because you have to hand wash it, and I'm afraid to break it. And I've washed it many times before, but I'm like, I gotta clean it, and I really don't want to. That's the only thing I really gotta clean, but let's get cleaning. Hey, you guys, so I am back. It is 8:30, you guys. My kids have been sleeping for almost an hour, except this one's just being silly. Aren't you? You being silly? You can't hear me, but I know you're being silly. Yeah. So I am just relaxing. I just finished watching Office Christmas Party, and then I'm going to watch Bad Moms Christmas because I just want to relax and just watch movies. I like to watch movies when the kids, now since the kids are going to bed, like Benjamin used to go to bed before he started school late at night, you guys. Like we would go, we're night people, and he would go to bed late at night, and it's like, okay, Graham, we got to get him to bed early. Well, now, you know, since school's starting, he has actually gone to bed on time. Like, he goes to bed between 7:30 and 8:30, which is nice because I really need that downtime. And I feel like, you know, we're on a schedule. Charlotte's in bed. Ben's in bed. I can get stuff done. I mean, I did pick up the living room. I just have my wrapping paper that I was just wrapping up some gifts. I gotta mail out those, you guys. So excited. You'll have to see who I send them to. But yeah, I have to mail out gifts because I slack on that. But yeah, so I'm just having a relaxing night. I'm hungry. One thing, I have been on that medication for a week now, you guys. And I know it does take like 2 weeks to get in for the medication. And I'm taking Wellbutrin, like a generic brand of Wellbutrin. And I feel like it is helping. I'm not so like down in the dumps. I'm not as emotional because I would just cry over the stupidest things, and I'm not as emotional. And I'm also not binge eating. Like, I'm hungry right now, but if I went to bed right now without food, I'd be okay. But like, I used to always just snack and snack and snack and snack, and I feel like this medicine does help me because I do need to lose some weight. I haven't lost any weight since Charlotte was born. And, you know, with me not working now, I'm not going to get my exercise in, and it's winter time, so it's like I just kind of want to lose a lot of my belly fat. If I could lose 50 pounds, that would be awesome, but my goal is to lose like 20 pounds, so we'll see how that goes with my medication and everything. But yeah, I've got my movie ready to put on. I'm just going to, you know, get some shipping labels so I can go to the post office and drop that off tomorrow morning. But yeah, Benjamin, I was talking to him. I might take him to the Children's Museum tomorrow. It's I don't got anything planned tomorrow, you guys. I got nothing planned, so why not take the kids to the Children's Museum? It just depends on the weather and how everybody is. But yeah, other than that, it's kind of just a slow day. Graham will be home in about half an hour. I'm just gonna hang out with the cat. But Ben doesn't have school tomorrow, and I already did my Walmart haul, you guys. I did that today, so I think I'm going to start doing it on Thursdays. Maybe. I don't know. It just depends on what's going on. But yeah, definitely, you know, if you guys need to get some Ibotta rebates, definitely go ahead and do that. But yes, I'm just going to just chill and relax, pick up some more stuff, eat a cookie. But other than that, you know, it's not much going on here. I don't want to bore you guys with every single day, but yeah, we're gonna try to have fun. I don't work. Well, obviously, I don't work this weekend. I was supposed to work this weekend, but I put my 2 weeks in before I had to work. But I don't know what we're gonna do on Saturday, so I think we might go to Macy's because this is how annoying my cat is right now. Yeah. I have to go to Macy's because I have a $20 credit to use. I have to use by a certain day, so I might go to Macy's this weekend and just kind of get my last minute Christmas shopping. Like, I'm amazed at how much I am done with Christmas shopping, you guys. Like, Graham's done, my parents are done. I don't do gifts with my brothers. I don't do gifts with my brother-in-law, sister-in-law, but everything is done. Like, I'm just shocked, like, how prepared I am this year, and it's just like, yes. So now I just need to wrap everything because we have 0 presents under the tree, which I might wait till the last minute and put the Christmas presents under the tree, but I need some space to put other things everywhere. But yeah, so I'm just gonna watch this movie and make some shipping labels and wait for Graham to come home and hang out with him before I go to bed. So if you guys enjoy this, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for being supportive, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.